We are Plant 72 and this is our Just Fix It. One of our team members got with our quality team and found out that they were having issues keeping track of our RPO paperwork, so he made an app to help them keep it in logs so they didn't have to walk back and forth and check it on a whiteboard. So in the next few clips we will introduce the creator of the app and one of our team members explaining how it works.
Hi, I'm Juan from Plan 72. I created an app for the quality team so they can check the paperwork on their phones and they don't have to go back to the board or the computer.
I'm Sam Waterman from Plant 72, and this Just Fix It is for our report for 41 daily issues. So previously what we would do is we would take a picture of the RPO and the issue and document it manually in the log later, whereas now we have an app in Power Apps. So if we go to Area 41 log, we can scan the RPO and pulls all the information we need automatically. We pick the issue from our dropdown, and then we send it. We hit check mark and it's sent to the live share document, and then at the end of the night at 8 o'clock every night it gathers all the information automatically for the day and sends out an email to all who need it.
So our team members did a great job. And the next clip they will explain the old process.
Had a quality issue with parts coming out fine. What we would do is we would write the issue, our issue code, and the count that the issue was for the parts, take a snapshot or a picture of the RPO and our code, and then have to manually enter all the information onto the sheet later.
Fantastic job on this Just Fix It.
We are Plant 72.